Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. Just follow that prompter. Click like, click subscribe, click notification bell. If you're new, if you've been rolling with me for a while, hit the like button. Today we're going to be talking about crypto, where it is, where I think it's going, and what's going on with alt season, what's happening, right? And it's not going to be a real deep dive, but I'm just going to really just surface, tell you guys what I think is going on and what I see is going on. So the crypto markets were waiting for the president to deliver on his promises. Now I could say the president because the inauguration has happened. And he made a lot of promises like a lot of politicians do. And he's still a politician. Now, we know what happened with the release of the Trump coin and all of that. We're going to cover that. But a lot of people think it was a little late, a little less than late. Less information, and it was late. A lot of people expected him to talk on day one, which I did not. And he briefly mentioned it in a speech he had today.
The United States has the largest amount of oil and gas of any country on earth, and we're going to use it. Not only will this reduce the cost of virtually all goods and services, it'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto.
So you guys heard that, and crypto. That was it. That was it, and crypto. And it wasn't enough to satisfy some people. Actually, for me, it was. I don't expect him to just come out guns blazing on day one. Listen, I don't care who you voted for. Politicians promise at the beginning, and then they start to dial back when it comes out. Now, I believe he's going to do some great things for Bitcoin and all crypto. I do believe that he is the most bullish crypto president probably that you will have. All right. As a matter of fact, let's look at some things that are going on right now as it pertains to some articles of some things that's going on. Let's look right here, good people. We could see Trump signs order to create cryptocurrency working group. This happened today. Okay. We could see that. We can see he's got that marker with the big writing. Okay. So look. U.S. President Donald Trump on Thursday signed an order to create a cryptocurrency working group, right? Fulfilling a campaign promise after he courted cash from digital assets companies pledging to be a crypto president, like I just stated. The Crypto Advisory Council is expected to advise on digital asset policies, working with Congress or crypto legislation, help establish Trump's promised Bitcoin reserve. This is huge. This would be a major catalyst that would push all crypto north, okay? And coordinate between agencies including Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC, which Gary Gensler is going bye-bye. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, also known as the CFTC, and the Treasury. Reuters previously reported. Okay, Reuters is the report, right? So that happened on today. All right. What else happened on today? Now, Jesse Hamilton. All right. This senator, I believe she's a senator. She spoke at the Bitcoin conference. I was there and I heard her speak, her with Senator Tim Scott and others. Okay, so let's see. The U.S. Senate Banking Committee has officially set its roster for the new Digital Asset Committee, putting Senator Cynthia Lummis, that's what I meant to say, Cynthia Lummis, that's her name, at the top. This, good people, is very, very, very bullish for crypto because she is extremely bullish on crypto. I listened to her for over an hour. At the top, as expected, but it was also includes two names that have received heavy backing from the Crypto Political Action Committee. Crypto Political Action Committee. All right. fair shake in the 2024 elections. New Senator Bernie, whoever, the Ohio blockchain entrepreneur who knocked off former Democrat Chairman Sherrod Brown, is amongst the panel 5 Republicans. The crypto super PAC devoted a towering $40 million to back Monroe in that contest. Okay. And so we see what's happening. Everything I've been telling you about the president and its pro Bitcoin cabinet has and is taking place right in front of us. But there's always a big but in the room. Look at crypto today. It's like, so what? Big deal. All right. Because it's kind of sad. We wanted him to say more, but he didn't. Why? I understand. But I'm telling you that this will pay off and this will pay off. Okay. So this will pay off and this will pay off with patience. So these two will pay off with patience. So as we could see, flat. All right. Bitcoin is flat for the hour, for the day, up about 3%, just vacillating up and down. Ethereum, flat. XRP, negative 3%. In the last 24 hours, negative 5.73% in the last 7 days. The only one there's a few that's still doing well, like Solana. Solana's still doing well. Remember, alts, okay? Chainlink is still doing well for the week. Avalanche is tanking, okay? So it doesn't make much sense. So all alts are not performing well. Now, let's take a look at the fear and greed really quick. We could see that it is ticking back up now. We could see last month 54, which was neutral. Last week greed was 60, and yesterday greed went up by 6 points, should I say. So the greed index is starting to tick back up. Remember, we buy fear and we sell greed. So if you're swinging crypto, here's where you buy, here's where you sell, okay? Here's where you buy, here's where you sell. But now in crypto winter, you don't want to be buying here. That's why you need Stock Up You to help you understand where we are in this cycle. Okay, now let's talk about dominance, okay? Let's talk about crypto or alt season dominance. Look at this. Alt season 44-1. Let's see if we could get this to pull up. Here you can see that Bitcoin dominance started. Like it actually started here. We could see here 12/8/24. I was talking about that it had started, and then what happened? It starts losing its dominance. It actually started to lose its dominance. Now, there's things that need to happen for Bitcoin to have a true dominance, okay? The altcoins usually take off. And it's not that everybody sells Bitcoin. It's just that money start flowing from Bitcoin to the alts and new money coming in start buying the alts. And that just hasn't happened yet. And it started, it appeared that Ethereum starts to surge generally in alt season. So what happens is Ethereum starts to surge, money starts transferring from Bitcoin to the alts because early adopters that got into Bitcoin has made so much money till they can now start to take more risk with the altcoins. And then it's off to the races with the altcoins, right? But it hasn't happened. And it's one of these things that I'm going to tell you that's kind of different. And I know you say, Larry, it's all going to be the same. Well, it's not the same. At this point, the altcoins have already taken off. Last crypto cycle, 2021, and then go 4 years before that, you will see that the altcoins would have already taken off. We would strongly be in alt season. And the altcoin starts to dance, right? They start multiplying, 3xing, 6xing, 8xing, right? It hasn't happened this time because I warned that Bitcoin is trying to hold its dominance. Sorry, good people, I hit the button. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I had to run upstairs really quick and I'm out of breath. So Bitcoin is holding its dominance and it's not surging as much as it should right now with the president in seat. Now, I expected that the president would actually, after the inauguration, that there will be some profit taking. But right now, it seems like the entire market is waiting on the president to have a strong declaration about crypto. And there's a lot of foolery going on. That's my word for today, foolery. So we had the Trump coin, which was a distraction. Okay. The Trump coin pulled liquidity out of coins like XRP and the entire crypto market. The Trump coin pulled money, liquidity out, especially XRP. So if you look at the chart, the second that TikTok went dark, the announcement of the Trump coin comes. While all eyes are on it, I'm not saying anything else other than that. I'm just saying what happened. And then money left all of these coins, but especially XRP, and went over to the Trump coin, right? And then the new shiny toy, of course, was the Melania coin. And then money left the Trump coin and liquidity ran over to Melania coin. And then Melania coin drops, and what happens? It goes right back to XRP. So while all of the new shiny toys was coming out, XRP to me was entering into a buy range. Okay. And so I like to buy dips. You don't have to agree with me, but this is what I see. Now, on yesterday's live with the guys, I showed that I am in a position where I'm holding most of my positions. Yes, you can still swing trade if you know what you're doing. But at some point, things will take off, and I believe that they will. And I believe that you got to be careful not to buy the overall market right now where we are. I believe that you have to be careful not to chase a lot of meme coins and not to overstay your welcome with some of the meme coins you have. There is a lot of them. Now, the meme coins that I chose to get into, I'm holding because when alt season actually happens, I believe it's going to happen, but it's just delayed. I believe it's going to happen, but not as much as it did in 2021 because Bitcoin will fight to keep its dominance because of so much institutional buy-in to Bitcoin. So I believe that altcoin season will eventually come, but it will be shorter and it won't be as much. I don't know. Okay. So depending on which coin you're in, from coin to coin, you're going to see a variation. It's not going to be like before where the entire market, all alts rise. So now you have to be more careful in which coin you pick. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, good people. No, nothing flashy, just what's happening behind the scenes that are, I believe, very positive and positive enough to move markets, but the market is just not having it right now. And they want something solid and concrete, just like these reports, they are solid and concrete, but they just want to audibly hear it from the president's mouth. Okay, and the day that that happens, you're going to see a surge in all crypto. All right, good people. So if you really want to learn about crypto, make sure you check out the links below in the description of this video. If you're on a cell phone, just hit more at the bottom of this video and you'll see the description. You'll see Stock Up With You. So it looks like this. And we have an entire segment on crypto. So you can be informed, so you can make money. You don't want to just eat fish. You want to learn how to fish, okay? We're going to leave it right there. And the price on that, you only have a few days left. We are still in 2024 pricing, okay? So go ahead, take advantage of that before it raises by the end of this month. All right, good people. Thank you for your prayers again. Love you guys. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.